Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a quick unboxing for y'all, and you guys should already know what this is, man. I already told you guys what happened with my vehicle. Your boy headlights is out. So far I haven't got stopped by the cops. I guess because my fog lights and my other headlights work, so they didn't really give a damn. They didn't care. So I guess that's why. But and I'm not in the other city. Over there, those cops over there is, I don't know, they don't have nothing better to do. So but that's why I don't drive over there anyways, in the other city. But yeah, your boy about to do this quick unboxing. So I purchased this off of eBay, and this is basically the headlights for my car, Toyota Avalon 2008 limited. It will work. It will definitely work from the 2005 to the 12. It's the same thing. I don't know about the newer one. I can't really tell you. I can't really help you guys. None of that. But this is a quick one. I like the way how are you supposed to take this out? You guys see this? This is cool. This is cool. The other one that I bought didn't even come like this. But I'm trying to find a way to take it out. And I surely don't want to break it either. Okay, so you basically screw it out. So I bought this off of eBay. I bought it from, I can't remember the price, but it was under 20 bucks for sure. So it's cool the way how they cover. So this is it. This is how it looks. You see it? And it's gonna take me a while. You just got to take your time to like install it, because I installed it on this car before, so it's no big deal for me. But you just have to like literally take your time, because it's the position that they put it in is kind of this is cool. I guess this was to protect it from moving or hitting anything. I guess that's why they set it up like this. But that was cool. It was really cool. Really creative. It was really creative. Not bad at all. That was creative. I like that. But is it this way they did it? Okay, yeah. So it's like so. Yeah, that's cool. Like, it don't hit the side. No matter how much bump, it won't damage nothing. That's cool the way how they set it up. They sent it to me. So it's two of them. And this is the 600K. 6000K. And this is the white. If you go lower, it's going to be like the dull color. If you go higher than the 6000K, it's going to be like another dull. It might be like a bluish dull or purple dull color. But I want mine to be clear white. Like a clear, bright white. So I got the 600K. It don't really give me no details, but it's the D4S 600K. You guys can't see it, but that's what they say, D4S 600K. I bought it off eBay. eBay was the cheapest, of course. And installing it, I'm gonna probably have to put on gloves to install it, because I think the last one that I installed, maybe how much years ago? Maybe about 3 years ago. I think it was like 3 years ago I installed the other one on the passenger side. And I think my finger, sometime when your finger leave fingerprints on the bulb, whatever, it end up blowing faster. The heat and whatever moisture, the oil probably got on it and make it go out fast. So installing it, I'm going to basically put on some gloves while I install it, so I don't have to touch, don't want no moisture or the oil from my fingerprints, my fingers touching on it, or whatever the case is. But it's 2 of them, and I got it on the $20. You can't beat that. And these are the HIDs, LED light, really bright. It's for my normal headlight. So it's gonna look something like this. Let me show you guys the one outside, how the one outside is looking. And I need to let me switch my thing around. I need to basically drop my keys. I need to clean my headlights, this side, the driver's side. I need to clean it because it looks bright and nice right now, but me driving, this side over here was more brighter than the other one. And you could tell, well, you guys can't see it, but I could tell that the headlight is dirty and this one is more cleaner. But this is the one that I'm going to change out. This one, the one at the top. And it's a little difficult, it's a little tricky as well, but I did it before. I recently changed that one like a month ago. I had changed that one, so it shouldn't be no big of a deal for me to change this one. It's going to take a little time because, as I said, it's difficult to change just because of the position. This one you have to completely remove the battery. But yeah guys, I'm going to change it tomorrow. I have time. Tomorrow when I have some time, maybe when the sun goes down or before the sun come up, I'm going to do my best and try to install it, change it and everything. I'm not going to do no video on that because I did it before. I already got that video on my channel already, so there's no need for me to do that. As you can see, the fog lights at the bottom looks nice and bright. White, really nice. You feel me? Beautiful. So that's that. I can't really wait to get it installed. I'm gonna need to buy something to basically to clean my headlights. I know that off spray is good, like the one for the woods. The green is in a green bottle. I don't know if they changed the bottle of it, but it's green. The one that say wood, the off woods or wood whatever, the off brand. But yeah, I'm gonna buy something, get something to clean my headlights. And the reason why that one got dirty or start looking like that, that's because that's an aftermarket brand. That's an aftermarket headlight. Because when I had got into the accident, the lady had ran into me. Of course they didn't go for the original headlights. They went for aftermarket, and of course that one started looking brownish, uglyish, while the original one still looked clear even after how many years, since 2008 to now. That one never got foggy with that ugly yellowish color. The aftermarket one does. Can you imagine that? But yeah guys, check it out. Go on eBay, look up for the make, the model, the year, make and model of your headlights. If your headlights go out, the headlight bulb. And this one, as I said, this is the D4S 6000K D4S 6000K. You guys can see it. I don't know. D4S 6000K. That's the one. That's the correct one to get. Okay, if you get something higher or lower, it's not going to look, it's going to be like a different color. It might be blue or it might be purple, but it's not going to be bright. It's not going to give you that white bright color. And if it's lower, it's just not going to look right. The other one is going to give you like a dull old school look, and I hate that color. I don't like seeing that on my car at all. The older model, old school look, I don't like that. I want my things to be bright, HID, LED, bright, white. So get the 6K, the 600, the 6000K. Get the 600K. and that would be good. But this concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless. I am out of here until I upload another video. Peace, for real.